bunch of beds and couches in there. I know the guy that owns this.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I just saw him earlier. He left.
Hope they got insurance.
He's been here for years, man.
Oh, I know, yeah. I know people that bought stuff off him.
Actually, I bought my stove off of him.
I'm surprised they ain't moved us back yet.
Those guys are covered in black.
Imagine that dude in your lungs. It's over.
You can't breathe much of that.
Holy fuck, man. Wow. That was close. Get your ass quick, man. You be laying down for real.
Yep.
Get the ball out of there. That could be the wires running inside there. See that color of it?
Could be.
Inside the building. If they want to get in the motherfucker, take the sledgehammer and knock a hole in the wall.
Yeah. Police finally show up like an hour later. We get back in the whoa, man.
One of the guys gonna get struck this year.
I know, it's like the odds of it is going up the more people start standing around. Look at that guy. That kid looks like he's 15 years old over there. He must be insane. I mean, insane. Look at that. Look at on the other side. It's not even close to being on. It's flame shoot as high as they were before. Just waiting for that air too, and then when we get that little hole, how much smoke coming out, it's gonna suck.
Big lightning hit. Man, that thing, I kept hearing an alarm go off. Now the alarm just builds right here. Around, we're sitting at the table right there, and he goes, man, there's like a fire over there, man. I said, where's that? No, I thought it was just building here. That wind builds up.
Wow. There it is, just switch directions.